Welcome back, everybody. In search of help here on process. I got a rough running Evinrude 112 SPL 95 is the year. I got the manual, but I'm also looking for some tips and tricks here. So, new spark plug wires installed, new plugs installed. All right, still running rough. Idle is low, no full speed anymore. And let me show you what I got going on here. So, just got to the end of the lake by the house to test it out. And let's get it started here. So, this is one thing that I've been of my area of concern to start on is this pump right here. So, soft, 1, 2, slow, and 3. There, it's hard. All right, so I've been making sure not to do that too much to flood the engine. All right, so then come up here, and I got a choke when I push on the key, and let's just put the throttle control there up halfway. Just fires up right there. Pretty easy fire up with that pump. But as you can hear, the hesitation start. So something's going on in there. I'm going to turn it up a little bit more. Okay. Still a little hesitation there, but less and less as the RPMs go up. This tack right here, it's saying about 1100. And let's open it up all the way. And 2000, 2100. I feel like it should be more. If you know anything about Johnson Evinrude motors, let me know. I also got the manual that I've been reading slowly, but it's confusing. So she's ready to go. So let's put her into gear. So in low gear there, first click, pretty much dying. So let's give her a little bit more. And right there, normally, when I first got this boat, the thing would be doing a wheelie, all right? And you can hear it, the engine. Almost sounds like it's only running on a couple cylinders. So I did a spark test. I was getting spark from everything. Right now I have the engine tilted to where it stops. All right, so now it's dead. Now it just died, okay? Let's see, bring it back to neutral. Let's see if we get it started again. With the push, yes, and no. And no push, no choke, and nothing. Okay, let's go back here to the pump. Let's feel what this is like. Okay, it's all the way as if it was brand new today. Like first time I've started it today. So there it is, hard again on 2.5. Back to starting it. Little push of the choke, fires back up. So it's telling me is I got some sort of fuel system issue. Some sort of blockage, not enough siphon. Really not sure. So I'm asking everyone out there if they got any tips and tricks, where to get started. Starting slow, obviously, with some easy fixes, and then working up to replacing parts in the engine. Thanks for watching, and in search of help fixing this 95 Evinrude 112. As I learn more, I'll post more videos, and I hope that this helps people out there fix engines in the same age range and brand. So, thank you.